guys, welcome back to my channel Shine Glow Era. Today's video is a recreation video. Yes, Aishwarya Rai was recently seen in the Paris Fashion Week with this pink, beautiful, glittery eyes. And believe me, I have been waiting to recreate this look, guys. Watch on how I do it, and if you like my videos and my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and commenting is top on my priority list. So please don't forget to do that. And yes, you can press this notification button as well so that you do not miss on to any of the videos that I post. Generally, I post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays with some misses sometimes, but I try to make up for it. So yeah, let's get started, guys. 1, 2, 3, begin. So to start with, I'm starting with my foundation. Sorry, before that, I will be taking my primer as well. So when you're going for a full coverage foundation, or maybe for a look which has to be there on camera, so don't forget to prime your face. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. Now this is matte, I guess so. I really love this primer. I mean, these days this is my favorite because it instantly fills up the pores and it gives a very smooth finish, guys. Believe me. So if you're looking for a lightweight primer, in fact primers are lightweight, what am I talking about? So you can definitely purchase this one. Pocket friendly and does the work pretty well. Next up is the foundation. So I'm going with my Faces Canada Go Chic foundation. Now I'm using this because this has the anti-aging properties and contains natural extracts. So apart from, rather than going for a full coverage foundation, you can definitely go for this one. Gives a pretty good coverage. Anyways, you can use a foundation twice to get the full coverage. So let's see if this is able to do that. I'm applying in dotted motion everywhere. Do not forget to apply on your neck as well. One thing that I've noticed is I find this foundation a bit difficult to work with because somehow it doesn't blend very well, you know. You have to really try hard, but I use it because it has those anti-aging property, you know, as I just mentioned. So yeah, after a certain age you should have these kind of foundations. Now for concealer, I'm again going back to one of my favorites, which is the Swiss Beauty concealer. Now number 2 Sand Sable. Blends really well and is pocket friendly, an absolute fantastic product to work with. So I will be going on with the obvious areas, which is the under eyes, my eyelids, and the dark patches that I have. Not many, but yes, recently I have also developed pimples. So yep, I'm trying to cover all that. I remember since the day I purchased this concealer, I have been a fan of this product. I left all the expensive ones to just work with it, and because it works so seamlessly. So sometimes the price of the product does not matter, it's how the product is performing on your skin. So even a concealer which costs around 600 rupees might not do the work which a concealer which just costs around 200 rupees does for you. Yeah, and that's the kind of price for this Swiss Beauty concealer that I pay, and look at the awesome work this does. Okay, so after my foundation, I am going to now do my eyebrows. Now the eyebrows that she has are not very structured, but yes, I don't have eyebrows even close to that, but I will try to match up to it. So I'm using my, sorry, I just got it today, so I haven't even taken out the packaging yet of this product that I'm just about to show to you. So this is also a review of first kind of video for this product. This is the NYX eyebrow pencil, and the shade that I'm using is dark brown. So it comes with a small brush as well here, so it will be easier to work, I guess so. So let's just start filling in with the sparse areas. So you can just follow the shape of your eyebrows, fill in sparse areas first, and then draw the actual design. Yeah, the color seems to be perfectly okay for my eyebrows, guys. Because I have brown eyebrows, you know, I do not want any harsh lines to be there. Oh, beautiful actually, you know. So after my eyebrows, we're done, and let's start with the eye makeup. Basically, I see purple eyeshadow all across the eyelids, and then the same on the lower lids with a tinge of blue, and then pink kind of mauve glitter here and here. So we'll start with the eyelid first. Let's pick up a purple shade which is close to what is there. So I'm going with this, with my Beauty Glaze palette. I'm taking this blue from here, and I'll top it up all across my eyelids. And if in case you mess up a bit, please don't be afraid of it, because anyways you have to apply glitter all across. So let's first just cover the eyelids. So I also see a tinge of purple as a blending shadow, you know, so I'm taking a bit of purple as well. What I'm doing is I'm trying to mix this purple and this blue. So we'll be applying that as a transition shade so that we have a base to apply the glitter. So for more definition to the eyes, she's applied this blue eyeliner kind of thing. So I do not have a blue eyeliner, so I will be going with the blue eyeshadow. I'll try to create an eyeliner effect with the same. Basically what I'm going to do is I am picking up this blue from the same eyeshadow palette with a slender brush. This is the kind of brush I'm using here. So I'll be picking up the color with this brush and try to apply it as an eyeliner. So you can draw the line till here, because she had those cat eye effect, so I'm trying to do the same here. Yes, I smudged it out a bit, but it's okay, we'll clean up later. And I will be going with the same blue shade on my lower lash line because she has the same on it. I do not see a kajal here, or she had it entirely smoked out in the lower lashes. So I'll be doing the same with a smaller brush, which is this. Instead of kajal, she's gone ahead with a white eye pencil, I guess. Rather, I will be going with my Maybelline New York Lasting Drama. This is the light liner in shiny bronze. Now comes the turn for the glitter. Now she has this very beautiful mauve kind of shade glitter coming out here and in the inner corner. So I am trying to figure out which one will suit here. I have this palette with me which has all the glittery shades. Now I'm still not sure which one should I go for. I tried on my hand just now 3 shades, you know, which I can try. Maybe one is this pink, this one. The other is I can also go for this, and the third option will be this one. Let's mix and match and see. I think the color seems to be okay. And then you have the same on the brow bone. Here as well. So kind of making a wing with those with that glitter, you know. I will also be topping it up with a bit of the darkening, because this is giving a very light color here. So I'm just taking very little of that dark pink on the same brush and just dabbing it across. Okay. So this is how I applied those glitter, and I am just loving it. Comes to mascara, guys. Mascara is something that we cannot skip, and I am going with my Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara. And also I do not see her applying any falsies, so I might as well skip that. Quickly going ahead with my contouring. See, it does not have a very harsh contour, so I will be using my so I am going with my Maybelline contour shade. I'm just trying to create that effect here, and then we will take a peach tone blusher to put it here. So of course the actual contouring is first necessary. The jawline and your neckline is very important, especially for people like me who do not have a very prominent jawline. So I'm trying to carve out a circle shape here to kind of get into the shape that she's been showing. Although it's difficult, guys, everyone has a different face structure and features, so you cannot always match, but yes, we can try to get in the same shoes, of course. And now for the blush, I am going with my Sugar Coral Climax. This is again a very peachy shade, so I think this will be the perfect match right now. So I'll be using a bigger brush for this, and she has the blush in the hollows of her cheeks, so I'm just dusting it off here. Oh wow, that's a beautiful shade, guys. Oh. That's pretty much, guys. I will now quickly do up with my lipstick. For lipstick, I have a lot of options available, but she had a very shimmery red lipstick, so I'm going with my current favorite. Actually, I'm going with my Sugar in Red Flag. Now this is the shade, a beautiful one, and it is from their latest collection, which is Nothing Else Matter. It's a very beautiful red color, so I'll top it up with some gloss later, but first let's apply this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching in today's tutorial, and this was an Aishwarya Rai look inspired video. Please let me know if you want to see any similar recreations or anything that is in your mind. I will definitely come back to check with you. So love you so much, guys, and enjoy your day ahead. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be waiting for your comments. Take care and love you so much. Bye.